And we are totally beachfront. You don't have to go anywhere. They're waiting for dinner. Is this my plant? Baby, this is my tree.
Yeah.
Look at it carefully.
Yeah.
That's a plumeria, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Plumeria, it's called a frangipani. And look over there. And there's a poinciana.
Yeah.
And the
Coconut palm.
coconut palm. The water is so calm looking. Wow. Oh look, we got on sand. I even didn't realize it. Although you say UV still goes through the clouds. Beautiful. Now don't forget that your hotel is also a great place to hang out. Remember, you've already spent tons of time making sure that it meets all your requirements for comfort, style, and design. Enjoy what you pay for. What we love about our hotel, we loved our room. Look at this kitchenette. What about this lounge area? And then it has this huge, big bed. Is that a good thing? Big, huge, big bed? You get the drift. And also a great shower. The colors here are gorgeous. And yes, there is an ironing board.
Is there an iron though?
There's an ironing board. I don't think there's an iron. Maybe we request one. And what's in here? What? Look at that. 2-plate burner, toaster. You got skillets, pots, everything you need. I'm loving this place even more. Unbelievable. All right. Now that's for your own use. Thank goodness we brought some drinks. Over here, the kitchen has little goodies. Oh wow. So I didn't have to bring my own paper towels, kitchen towel, dish soap, nice. They have plates, mugs, spoons, the works. You don't have to bring a thing. guys get 100%. 10 out of 10 marks. Okay, I love it. With this kitchen, it was so easy to make breakfast and just have our snacks and anything we needed throughout the day.
Oh no, nothing is wrong. There is. Just have to push that back somehow. I'll push this back.
The hotel also had a waterfront beachy area. They actually do have sand to make it feel like you're right on the beach. Nothing beats a breakfast by the beach, right? So we've got our coffee, tea, donuts, and fruit right here. What have we done? All right, so which chair would you like? This one? That one? This one's kind of in the sun, but it's fine. Right? And we're under a makuti. And who are we?
Us guys.
The two of us. And we're here. You saved the day, you brought us spoons?
Spoons.
Spoons for our fruit. Yay. Okay. All right, let's have a seat and enjoy.
Okay, let's have a seat. I'm gonna tell you, it tastes like straight black tea.
Okay, have a bite of the donut.
How about the donut?
That is so cool. Look at that. Looking for fishes.
I'm also looking for breakfast. Donuts are easier to get than fish.
Maybe we share our donut with it.
I already ate mine.
Beautiful. Beautiful sighting. Oh, it's gone away now. What do you think of that?
Yeah, they do.
Resident kitty. Where's she going? Oh, it's crazy.
I don't know.
Look at all the creatures here.
Thought I drank it all. I drank enough. I won't drink anymore.
Look at all the ants. How come yours is clean and mine isn't? Clean, not a single doo-doo. Here we go, all the ants having a good time. Wow. Just like that, right? Oh, here they are. You can see them crawling on the table.
Yeah.
But it's all good. We're on the beach, so nothing to fret about, right?
Yep. See them?
Yeah, let's get rid of them. We don't want to take them back.
Oh,
my
my
gosh.
goodness.
See now they're starting to crawl.
There's so many. Look at them. Ooh. All right, bang, bang, bang. I don't know how to bang. Bang with your foot. So air now. Gone?
Gone.
Nothing.
No,
Clean.
not even on my hands.
Oh goodness. We don't want ants in our room, so we have to. I think we'll go rinse this out. Yeah, it's alright. Oh, there's a few in there. No, let's get water from the ocean and rinse out. Just one. Here, let me go do it. Here, can you step in here and do it? It kinda is high though. You have shoes, you wanna do it? Okay, let's go. We're done. Breakfast is finished. Oh, it's quite nice pool. The pool's quite nice. Ah, why are you splashing me? It is warm. Very pretty. Sun's gone. It's cloudy. Perfect time to swim. Because we do not want to get a burn. Me, I know, I don't want to get a burn. So cloudy is good. All right, so we have some, what are these chairs called? Andornarak chairs. Andornarak. What? What are these chairs called?
Adirondack.
What?
Adirondack.
Adirondack.
Like the Adirondack Mountains up in New York.
Adirondack chairs.
What did you say? Andornarak?
I don't know what I said. Introducing the swimming pool. What size is this pool? It's adequate for 2 people. And here is a waterfall. They don't have it on though. That's supposed to be a waterfall. Yeah. I like this one. I'm getting in. That's what I was telling you, we need to swim. We could have been swimming for 2 hours already. We also liked, no, we loved our hotel swimming pool. It was small and quaint, surrounded by tropical flowers, bushes and trees. And there was not a soul around. And we decided we were going to enjoy our thing. And we took to doing what we enjoy doing best. Play around and have fun. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video and are inspired to go out in your own town, your own city, and your own country. Remember, wherever you look, you will find your paradise. Adventure awaits.
Ciao.
Kwaheri.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Hasta la vista.
Bye bye.
Tuonane Roshio.
See ya.